about fertilized grass, and you got rained on this morning.
Yeah, it's the first time it's rained on me in 11 years, but that's all right. I made it. Hey, you know, this is grass season. This is the first thing, thing you should do that right now. One of the things you need to do, make sure you sharpen your lawnmower blade, get that ready to go, because, a dull lawnmower blade is not going to make the grass look good.
Okay.
A lot of people are planting zoysia right now, and we plant a lot of it. There's a different type of fertilizer for that. So, a lot of times the bag will be labeled for zoysia, but it's not the best one for it.
Okay.
So you want to make sure that when you're looking at your bag, that you have the mid-range nitrogen. So you want to have, this first number needs to be around 15 or 16.
Okay.
Because, what happens with zoysia, it gets too much nitrogen because it's really short. It has a tendency to thatch up. So you want to make sure that your nitrogen is right in the middle range. The next thing, St. Augustine, which most everybody has.
Everybody.
Right, exactly. You want to make sure that your nitrogen is around the 20s, 20, 25, 26. And then when you're selecting the fertilizer, you want to have fertilizer with the most slow release. And that will be identified on the bag too. Just looking on the bottom here, it will say water insoluble and water soluble. And that's very important.
Oh.
The ones with more water insoluble can be a lower nitrogen number because it's going to trickle out through the season. So that's going to cost you more. So you want to get your fertilizer out right now and then put a little bit of fish emulsion. I always love that.
Love the fish emulsion.
That will really stimulate the health of the soil.
Okay.
You can get all these great fertilizers at Ace Hardware. Some of the great things about grass is making it green, but the bugs like it green too. So you want to make sure you put on the right bug control on your St. Augustine.
How do you know?
Well, you look for the two things that are soil-borne insects, which is going to be merit, and then you want to have some contact kill. Now, chinch bugs, this is a common thing that you treat for chinch bugs, bifenthrins. But what I use is Arena. When I contract someone to do bug control for me, I use Arena. What Arena is it lasts for around 120 days. 120 days. Most chinch bugs are resistant to bifenthrin in our area. So you may treat with bifenthrin,
but it's not working.
Right. Arena is the stuff to get.
Okay.
The next thing you need to do is take care of the weeds. Now, this is where you need to be careful. Because a lot of these fertilizers are for different grasses. And you got to make sure that you got the right weed killer. Every year someone calls me, my grass is dying. I put the wrong fertilizer on because it has a weed and feed it. When you want to look on the back, it says OK for St. Augustine. And then you want to make sure on the small print it says, excluding Flortam. Oh, I've seen bags of fertilizer that said it's okay for St. Augustine, most all St. Augustine, but Flortam, and we have 90% Flortam here. So any weed killer that's in the bag, 2,4-D, you don't want to use that one. Atrazine is a great one. The next thing you want to do is make sure on the zoysia that you can use 2,4-D. If you're putting out a weed and feed, you can use 2,4-D. So if weeds are bothering you, 2,4-D, atrazine, pinoxylum, make sure you use the right variety. And do not spill, when you're loading your fertilizer, do not spill it on the grass. Make sure you load it on the concrete, and don't leave any in the thing because it's not going to be good the next time you use it. All right?
Well, thank you so much, Larry. And just in case you need a refresher course, you can go to, you can have Larry do your landscape for you, which would clearly be the easiest. Log on to larrysgarden.com.